Even the man who could plan where Babu when the person your mom any man we me now me be no. I agree Benue now to celebrate our wedding. 2019 I know you. 20 you born. You can't come off for camp. That year police come 2 times. 2021 4 times. 2022 even 6 times. I'll be 5 times. 2023 5 times. I know how many times I just leave my friend's house. As popular as I am. As if that is not enough. If police don't give me that 10 days to stay outside, she go dey confidential. Over relax. Man where you say you born for. Then I never have put money for your head. You sleep confidentially. Without your man. Over here. My friends go still call you. They are alive, they never die. Go reach your friends. But you now you want to correct Z. That's why Z tell you don't feel correct her. Because why? That's why you not get what you want to do again for this life. You not get advice what you want to give person. Wait, be say you know you yourself will give that advice to person. Not gum you. Your friends go beg you. Priska go beg. Piro go beg. Wisdom man go beg. Make you no get her. This woman go say no. Now so 10 days never complete. No, you want kill me? No, you want me to die? You will baby. Wow. For all the time we make it get correct, I get where I for still wrong you. Me too. Not be awkward. Not be you for wrong me. But have you ever wanted to admit, say you don't offend this man for once? And now what you no get do you? What you no get do you? What you no get do you? Now you see. I regret laying my hands on you. Yes. I'm not getting if you wear me. But I'm done or kunueladian or you have a few wear me. Calling police on me constantly when I decide to say no. Only I will not agree to what you are saying. You say, oh devil, you look my way, put money for your head. You look on. You say nonsense. You will not even know whether they put money for your head. As I speak to you now, you get video where they will draw my attention to. The way you for thought say you fuck under bribe plans. That simply means you have committed an abomination. And I thank God say since 3 days ago I don't eat your food again. Yes, because you don't know what's in me for them to put money for your head. You're the local like fool. Like a zoo. I want me you talk. I want to see the useless idiots. I want to make people know you say I married a stark illiterate as a wife. I can't cover your mess. People they beg me no get cut us. What's wrong with prank? Prank waiting. Before I was on a prank, I'll bend the issue better. Now, let's go to yesterday. No, it shouldn't be yesterday. That's what you do. I can't sit down. I can't say I've been there because I don't put money for this woman. Head. Because this life, not be one person they carry relationship they go. And 2 persons they carry they go. Yes. Not be one person. And 2 persons they carry relationship they go. But you see, Mama Nora, you are so lousy. For your mind, you do say they do me. But you see all those your friends. Go check with Mama and Mama talk today. People where you think say they be your friends, they will run for you. If you can do your husband this kind of a thing, which Mumu friend you want to keep? Now, I can't still put money for your head. Now when me even couple money, now matter can't even high pass. Now that time if you can't even want to do like man, maybe they do like woman. You know they help me, but they help you they take the children and go school. And they help you they carry the children, they come back and they clean. Right? Okay. Now, we did the quarrel since 3 days ago. I can't even go party. Nobody knows who the quarrel because I make an agree. Anybody will tell say your wife on the quarrel. Now lie. That person lie. He go say na lie. May I go see Mommy 3D? Your husband very caring. May I go see the other one? Your husband very caring. May I go see there was even a day when Mommy 3D used that word. And you don't still use that word even before I put money for your head. Say if na a pie you bought for you for born reach 8. My first week for talking now. You when me carry entire Facebook, I go fuck you up. I'll let you know, say, Momu well like Facebook na more week betu eh. You get with me for not still good though. Me have a talk with me. Because I do what I has about Wagmo. I has the same. Sometimes if friends go to Mama Nora na person will be say, go reach the yeah girl will be want do Ashebi for loss. And so yeah, that one they talk. Yeah, they talk. That one go tell her say, my husband, very nice. My husband, too nice. Oh. The moment when me put for her go they talk say, my sister, I don't know that way. Or if you go away and now we go set. I don't know that way. Anyway, we are no abusive words. Person way you don't know. Not be only that Ashebi. You don't insult me for your friends. You're there on call with them. Maybe you should go come up as a wise woman for you to tell your friends, yeah, babe, I'll call you back home. You go even want me that one no say with the quarrel me for insult me for that one present. I say I cannot bear it again. You ain't me saying loud. Is that when you are returning by president? It's as simple as that. I can't. It is better for me to start from square one than for me to continue dating you again or marrying you again after the hour that comes out of your mouth. Say you want to go fuck on top of bride price. You think it's the verse. You think say why well on to back your wabo, but you don't want to. You have succeeded in making people to know that you are a useless person. And any married woman that is following you should be careful. If you are a married man and your wife is a friend to Mommy Nora, be careful. Be careful. Be very careful. May God bless those women, no matter what. Family did there now. You have a mother, you have a younger sister. You know my younger sister number, you know my mom number. I'm more than dear boy. Quarrel the quarrel is 4 days. You run entire video yesterday. That was not the first time. Whenever we have issues, you run to media. I don't know that the media will give you. Maybe the media don't they give you what you want now. I tell you, I say, people go support me, people go support you. People go saga me, people go saga you. As depressed as you are today, you go to pray for Frank Omozo. As depressed as you are. If I ever do you wrong, I will never have peace in my life. But you do me wrong. We plan something to say yes, we want to get document. Maybe we say, maybe for still get. Today now you are now telling me that you will never have peace in your life. The only peace you will have is for the one you will use to take care of my children. But maybe you can't get peace of mind for yourself. You know, see now. As she wrote her live video yesterday, I never want to talk about time now because they cut a lot come out. Because Oak be having reserve. She wrote entire Chibouin family yesterday. I removed her from all angles. What have I done there? I was trying to avoid her not to go on live. Even if I carry you into media, doesn't mean because the media to destroy me. Or do you destroy me? As she say, I remove her from all platforms. He say, what about TikTok? He say, if you don't do something, finish. This time around, so now house they dirty. Oh wow, yeah. Because me come off for 3 days, 4 days. I'm actually here dirty. Iveri, this woman can't greet me now the toy. Imagine about you, I don't know. Say the audio I can't push on you. If all my audio can't greet me now push even though go away bona. When you be na baba can dey gbe me be. No, I not push out you. You laugh on my head. You been me away. Yes. But I'm not giving me. You don't as me come from the party yesterday, I can't sleep. Maybe or talent, but now you go God forbid. But more you were the talk, the waka past the room where for the sleep. When I wake up, I tell them, say, you don't feel call police on me, oh. I beg. They do your man, they do my own. Why not call police for me? When me slap her, when me blow her, why not call police for me? I look on the thing we can't exchange words. Some people could say, Enogie. If you're a wife, they come up for us. She can't take advantage of that thing. Anytime we all get issue, she go, you want me to come up for us. There was a night when she called bass for me again. That they are not bitter. The recording day. I saved them. I can say, maybe after 1 year of our marriage, she not call it misbehave. I will delete all. As a smart person, I can't delete it. When she called the police around 10:15, police come, hello? He beat you, he said not beat me. Why did you call us for? I made Mona tell me come out. The police say, for address when una two got day. You remember say your address day here. You remember say your address day here. You can't leave. Please tell me, say, you be here in the parlor and you be in room. No, my mental health. Police were calling. Now, yesterday, Pa came to my house. He Pa begged us before he even entered the live video. How we may. I look at Pa. He Pa drive from my house to my house in 45 minutes. He gave for over a day. No matter what. May I just keep calm, say I don't forget. Because that matter already vex me. Say she can't enter media. She go spend 5 hours for TikTok yesterday. As I look the way she did they talk. And I laugh. I say I'll do them. If you go on life, I'll go on life. Maybe in Naka him here, or say on our way. So the matter can escalate. If we dey quarrel, you carry phone, begin to insult my friends, begin to lie to them. Hello, brother call. Where say oh, you no get woman, you no get where we ma, you no get we ma, knock ba. Go insult all my friends and begin to insult them. Now I do the same to her. Yesterday I can't insult her friends. Well, after a while, my man, I no fit. I can't apologize to them. I can't explain to them. I say, see what thing happen. I can't say, okay, that's what happen. Before a park come finally come. Okay, as a park come, if now woman where they respect person, if now woman where get regard for somebody, when they parade ni. Pa can tell you say get away. Even if you see the face, you respect it pa. The pa it left. Pa makwe yo. Now, let's call a spade. If for example, me can't tell my man Nora say I dey vex for a pa, why a pa go give say Rekia mo? I say Ricardo is all my children. Is it right for her to come and tell Pa in his presence, say, hey, Pa, you wa bere no gina. Omo we. I was so annoyed that my mate thing I do way. Pa come with me, man. Police don't come yesterday night home. He can't rest. We sleep the same after daybreak home. Based on mumu where she be, they come, I don't know the advisor. I don't want to call names. They come persuade her, say, carry that video, that part when I take quarry. Carry I go give you get out. Also that part, on a VVM about, on a really get out this morning. I say I come off for house with the children. Me now be Yahweh because yesterday don't pass. Mama begged me this morning, want me, no want me. La oh, marriage you wanna, want that way. Now we ye. Now, oh, me that well later. She do come back. She reach us. She begin to call police. Hello. Yes, please. I'm home now. Can you come? Ah. I feel hear the thing. I come put here. One man say, come out for us, oh. As police they come out, oh. Nah, I saw if you come out for us. I said, come on, one man come tell me, say, come back. You beat her, no. And why you want wrong? If you know you want to for your back. Now I come back tomatoes. We cannot eat her food. She said she want fuck on top of my. The man, she has committed an adultery there. She has committed an hour there. Until that hour is being talked about. That one, he marry a man with her, do one kind. You know that. Now I come back home. Begin to tell police. I record some. And I will play some. Me you know say everywhere we can men now. Ya go lo do we me give marry we. I mean you no the bride price me go me. When I listen to the audios, a woman who born 4 children for me, even if you forget what I do, even if you forget, even if me and you quarrel. You dey persuade today now should be police don't call you liar today. Police called you a liar today because it got too much. They don't believe you again. They believe you well because why? They don't believe you again. You don't call the well. Police can't be like say all of us they say flat. Just that they know they sleep, they know they wake up for them, or they brush it for them. But now me and police can't they interact with. Me will go outside. Then I know fact. I'll go people, I'll spend some days. Police won't go control me there, but if inside my house, he gave a customer me working strong ones. I be their strong customer. This one husband better pass me. This one husband better. I be make them marry usually their wife now. All those people where they condemn me for now, tell them say you want marry their husband, join them. Me don't dash you. You cease to be my wife. Since yesterday, you come out on TikTok and spend 5 hours talking about me. See, you cease to be my wife. I thank God I never do here. I can't even persuade you. You are working man now. If you don't do here, I'll come out. I was saying all those things because I was angry. I never met it. Go see one woman where he died for France and your husband kill him. You tell police today now. May God not let me use my hand by person. You know how much I love my mother. You know how much I love freedom. If not let this life do me for the talk so alone, is a freedom for me. If you're there prison, you can't do all these things. I'll just wake up one night, buy you. They are not calling my mama before she buy. You think I'm stupid? I can be angry to some extent, but I'm not like you. Now, no. Now tell you. You tell you. Who are they going to go? What be asked you? Now. Because I don't want to go anybody else. I'm not saying I'm not get good friends, so. But I just want to be left alone so I can think. Woman, if you get that kind of wife, where they use every slightest mistake. They use you, they compare another person, husband. Even Mommy Tiridi was one even talking what they say. My man Nora say if now my husband he marry, if I born 7, if now a social media president he marry, where you are way video. Where you are way video. As far you have taken it to media, and media me and you for disgrace, we go disgrace ourselves to the extent. Nothing go remain again. Then you find your way, I will find my way. I will be no my Germany, but work be career in me. A Germany I be me now. A Germany be me. Now you want the day. Cause you don't call bastaya. You don't call bastaya. Now tomorrow, then they say you must meet again. I come as. But in few days from now, I'll find my way. I can't yet marry well. God forbid. Now I'm gonna see you. Now I'm gonna see. I will play one and I'll play the rest. I walk back where me. I walk back where my mama let me there.
So I cannot call with my children, so I should call you.
Hi. Hello. The video of yesterday, then they show police today. So when they see person whether they marry, the video of yesterday which they take the shot, when we take all those things we do. And I wanna come away. Tell me police. I know we mumu. I know we are you get on. I know we buy again. Or even so one of the agree with your boss. Yari, it's the time we pranking. No, don't be me wa. Walk here, be me wa. Hey, mo, be wa. Walk be me wa. Because if the face is on the laugh, we say he may be. So.
Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sarah?
Who they call me now?
Yeah. Okay. Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sarah? How can we?
Oh, Ati Ray.
I'm surprised.
Oh, they call me. May I have my internet?
Hello.
And the video they show police. What happened yesterday?
Okay. Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sarah, how can we be of service today?
I'm surprised. I'm surprised that she called the police again.
Yeah, we are also surprised that we are here again.
Because you hear the police talk. They said they are also surprised that they are here again. Evil woman, heartless. People where they deceive with your fake tears. And you feel deceived. I'm done with you forever. Ima, Abi, Oma, we are here. Oma, we are here. No way, Cartier. Me never forgive you. Una de gbeti your way. Wage. I don't know why she called the police. Because the last time
This is what we take before you take
Yeah, just put that away.
I didn't drink anything. They can test me if they want to test me. He said I drink yesterday, that's why I beat her. What is she planning for me? On the way they call them prank. What is this woman want? What did this woman really want from me? Now death. Either death or deport, and she'll crap us. Hey, deport, hey. Or that for where you go. You see people where they push you. At the end of the day, they'll carry their house at the house. You, no problem. You are convincing them that I drank. Now God is stand by me. The prayer of a mother, if they work for my body, if not, with the kind of police you don't call from me, or say I am in Nigeria. One police can just volunteer and say, this boy they give us problem. Oh yeah, you don't even go a base safe. Oh yeah, bring your hand. Oh yeah, straight to deportation. It's not far now. After you don't do all this one, oh no, I will say, sorry, say, who are soon, who are David, who are where? As soon avant, iye we ye kwe, egbe me we yari kwe, inya nobody again. Nobody. I want to stand my left. I want to stand up to my responsibilities as a man. Yeah, I'm winner. Una. It is a low banana. Me where una you stay here. I'll pay the father shaft. That will not be problem. I'm gonna give you una. John me ko amu we here. Without Germany, you know, who are you? How much you see for road work? Imani boy, we are milago. You know where me muri. Na gigbe oko me. Eriwo yobo me. Di yobo pa nu we ri uni me na. Mo we yobo nu we. The children today, not be you make me father. Imomo we wa. Imomo we wa. Why make you a mother? Children will not feel life from the beginning. Of the face, do not like you women. You said they maltreat my children. A money make you be maybe me maltreating you. It matter my way now with saga now. I will teach you how to play it. Mama way, I will teach you how to play it. You can't. Why you saga me with me? Because you be my enemy. You be my number one enemy. Yes. Let's assume say Frank they support you. Is it right for you? On not be you eh? On a bezanzan. On not be you on a bezanzan. Now you hug me yo. So it's you right. My pin here. Oh God, Frank, now God will bless you. Why me wanna defend you way? Why go? Why me no saga way? You know I mama na mama ni asaboro uko wiyo. A wife, an enemy in disguise of a wife. That is who you are. And people don't know you, they think you be a better person. And when no man walk, I walk next to him. Why me, my baby? Pardon me, sir. Pardon me, sir. I don't put money for your head before you call the great laggy son. Yet, we now say, yeah.
No. I just want to make sure that the children are fine.
She threatens me every day that.
No, he's talking.
I'm talking. Okay. You have to. He threatens me every day. This is my children. I love them so much.
Can you close the door, please?
Okay.
Just wait, okay?
I love them so much. This is my children. I'm surprised that she called the police again today.
Yeah.
I do not have any problem with her.
What happened today?
Nothing happened. I'm
Then
surprised.
why are we here now?
I'm surprised. I don't know why she called the police again.
A big fight happened yesterday.
Yeah, and why didn't you call us then?
I called.
Yesterday?
Yes, I called.
Okay, and then?
Yes. So today I have to.
No, what happened yesterday when you called?
Yes, yeah, because the video I showed you was beating me. You see the mark all over my body.
You called our colleagues yesterday, and they were here, right?
No, they were not here.
Yeah, don't fool me.
No, it's true. You can check my phone.
This is not how this works.
Yeah.
You can't just. Why weren't they here?
I look at this yesterday. I called. I don't like. This is the
What,
time
and what
I
did your
called.
colleague?
And you take my laptop, it destroyed yesterday. Oh, I'm gonna ask it, pa. I'm gonna see wef. My laptop is you not tell police say you destroy my laptop. Umaga Baba like we destroy laptop in well. If no soon no day. So but me and you sleep the say as the break. He man and the watch you go the police tell my husband say we don't believe you anymore. You never realize. Police don't tire. Nora, this one are just the tips of the iceberg. Because now what happen so we want to talk. I have your born webumbe. But I go face you with the truth. Even when police they say they not believe this woman was convinced. Oh my no we go you won't. I beg my fans. One of them they tell me say go I said he married need the settlement or go on both arms. Oh they war. Many them settlement. God forbid. Me settle with this police party. And if I come out, anything do my children. Sorry, no way. Because the way they are going now, they don't look like person with get mental issue. Matter mobile be who got a black top in hell. Wait here, but beg you for. His wife beg you for, say, even that bros with our back, beg you for, say, hey, the police. There you be not view more, not view police, not view you get out. You're not a money to your baligbe. We give so what not your baligbe. The settlement in my way, I said to our way, Niana ya no marry way. My settle there, if they saga me, it not get document. Wait, I did not make there. I only know what your document going to show us now. What be marry, what how many worry. Not be you they give documents. Your paper cannot even give me documents. Now only my daughter own the last one I strong pass. Because I married Adoro Noni straight direct. I will passport in a Benin. 33 paragraph. Only on 3 years. And 1 year no when we are in me. When I stand with you, may be when we now. Why you be where you think you can give me documents? You can't give me documents. I was just there because I loved you and the children. That was why I was there. I don't feel go France. I don't feel go Belgium, go all those places. But since you say you fit take care of them, say where I not too bad when I say. Il a un viré, non viré. We give money, we are worthful. Because the money up there, a achieve a bon marié me. The nourri ou mena, no matter where grace will cover me. But my police is very good. Allow. I pray and God you understand for me. I will consider this city way good. What did this woman do me now for me to? I suppose the Nigeria by January this year, safe. Not be even suppose the one we still happen that time. Suppose the Nigeria that time. Obungbe. The tell police say me work by. Me we me agbewa. Me we me agbe. Me nobody blame me say I dey on life. You're someone. He believes that social media will fit give her what she need. Don't have to type a live video. So when not to tell now, a live video man not anything. So you can't eat your cake and have it. Let's go.
I
As the phone
called
said.
and I was screaming. help.
And no one came.
No, they didn't. I think they don't know who was talking. I was talking.
They can check your number, all right.
Yes.
They can see who
Yes.
this number belongs to.
So, yeah,
and they would have sent
I was
someone.
help, so you have to drag the phone on me.
And then you just went to bed. You didn't try again or leave. Or leave.
She didn't even call the police yesterday.
That's
She's
not how
lying.
this works.
There was
No,
she lies.
This is not how someone behaves who got beaten and just stays there and raised.
Okay, you go and sleep. After calling the police did not
Can I put my
come.
shirt off and see my body?
You enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself, and you were crying.
That's not fresh.
Yes,
You stay calm.
Okay. He say whether she go fit pour her shirt, make them foresee the injury with their back. A woman from Deutschland, for where police fuck on the doubt, they ask you deep questions to know if now what you talk and true because me and me were funny. For your man, do the police man, but in your way, do a man near where now, they did in your way now, me. And mega ba more grace no work be one is the truth. Is the truth. Should I put my shirt?
If you use that phone,
You can take a look.
yeah, we already saw that. You just hear someone screaming.
In Africa,
She said,
this is here to you.
come
In
on.
Africa,
You are here with him.
Yeah.
If you were afraid, you wouldn't be here.
Exactly.
You would have already left.
because I got
Now you police talk. You there here with this man. If you really there afraid of this man, you cannot be here. On the way they use our difference. Why did they? If you do me like this, that's how they look now. A woman named Young. On a convince of Baligbe. We bien. Obalegbe see the letter they don't say this thing not clear to us. The rate in which they call it bass not called clear. The way you dey talk, it don't make sense to our ear. For you to just quiet me, let them go. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. All those who are cutting our last and say everything you have said so far makes no sense. But as a woman, when she be make me come off house, may I come back tomorrow. They give me 11. I'll go call my children. Because you know what it is. The next 1 month, me take one value will allow. One of my friends say, no gay. Why you give you tell me you stay for 1 month? I say no. 2 days hotel is okay. That money too big. I say no. 1 month. Yeah. It knows I not get asshole apart from that ass. Or tell Baligbe me. Or Baligbe like with me. Mona help me ask for one other. How many times he does say to a friend when your husband get quarrel? Or how many times any of my friend don't come sleep our ass every 4 days or do have here? I still tell her what make me cheat on her. I still tell her what make me cheat on her last year. I was there with me ladian. You don't want my guy ask me can go. Now I'm going to tell me say, no gay. They ne we are here want to have here wa o han we are agui. They don't have a yari. It that be oh kakabo gbe. You know what does it Yahweh? As a smart man with me be meaning the way they come, you're not come like a girl. Me not married man too. That's why me and my family not there. Me not married man too. Now I can say, oh, mama, let me take switch, bad girl. I mean, know what they do bad. So I be today, so if I declare myself single today, yeah, you milk, no, even you, no, you are as a wife. But you see this woman, I better know you is a woman. I better know you is a woman. Now let my children they pay me, but no worry. They're gonna let me die today, they will leave. So train them. You say you fit train them. Train them. Train them, madam. You hear? It is not the one way if they do be this. Yeah, you know you can't wait. I'll tell you, say, what problem I be made? You were stubborn. You don't even know it's the cost stubbornness. You will be woman. Anytime I decided to be a man in my own ass, you tell me, say no. You say I know they work. I'm jobless. All the money we can't see for Facebook. I work and I receive my money on Facebook. If you have a page that earns money, you are a big man. Some people you say you have to go work from morning to night, make you a worker. 9. You can be inside your house and be any money. If not be no knows you. You came, I know you as normal Facebook, and me go open your page. This saga me. Saga me only my disgrace be my me marry you only marry make a peace. Because you say why is a woman maybe making one me marry what in ya. Any of my supporter we call you they tell them now be careful now. Where they support her now, that's why they do me like this. You want drive the commode. You want use my head, change to bad person, forget the day. Now God they provide for person. If you still drive me for where the day, say they can't really believe say you be my wife or really your matter no. God will still bring my help pass for me. You see that document? I go get her, and another woman go hold on. I go there beside the other woman. Say that this woman and give me peace of mind for you. Now you born for me, but you not give me peace of mind. You are so shameless.
What are you get on? I just coming home now. I was in
And
the
what did the
Yucatan.
guys from the Jugendamt say?
You get and said I should call you. I showed my body. I showed the all.
But this is already taken on the 5th.
Yesterday, no.
That's not new.
It's new. It's yesterday.
It's already started here.
Yeah, it's yesterday. I swear to God, it's my life. It's yesterday. It's my husband, the father of my children. It's yesterday. One man is an elderly man from Africa. African man is an old man. The man was here yesterday. The man was trying to separate both of us. I called the police. I was screaming. So today, police don't answer.
Which man they talk so? Social media president. If no birane, go forbid. Every spirit of a wife, every spirit of an enemy as a wife in disguise, I cancel by the blood of Jesus. You can't right now and say I lie too much, but now your voice be this. I'll say, man, take you go have. You see, now see, always they convincing your police in my believe on a boss TV. You start cry. Now those are telling me not cry again. They no one listen to a cry. Police did a great job today. The power where they give some women for Europe is too much. It's too much. It's too much. You disgracing me. Like you talk, you cannot do more than a dead rat. You don't do what you want to do now. What you never talk. You don't respect me. Any slightest mistake a ball. No, people waste the car the house my come safe. They not go do what you they do. Yeah, no more you won't. The stress my family passed through on that day. You have transfer. And my own personal money I put for your head. You go the fancy me. Yeah, the lawa in you. Becky is a witness. The meeting money when I gather is my money. 100,000 what they do. The time we reach my time I want to carry, you can't go for that me. It's my money. It's okay. It not be my money, I take money for your head. It not my money, let me take money for your head. If you don't go to work, near me, no, if you ain't. Any disgrace will allow it. Some of you now when they call me around the peak, I need to relax. I need to relax. If I say I begin the peak, they go not they call me, my enemy go run mad.
I may have to go. The man was here yesterday. The man was trying to separate both of us. I called the police, I was screaming. So today, police don't answer me, I have to go till you get home. I'm just coming home with my children.
Yeah, he was screaming yesterday because a park we collect the phone from her. Beggar and get your bally pin on that phone way. It no give me well new man. But do you know, say you don't poison me not to a pal. Even if a party follow me, they play nah. You don't cut some love with that man get for me come out by telling that man, say as soon as 2 years to dance so. You don't get my love you where that you don't say so you don't know what's in me. The implication of what you said meaning it no gear can poison you at any time. That is why Imam resist and feel with me. Because you lied on me. You lied on me. A power would not say, Mata. Take it or leave it, a power believer. A power at here no gay on the master. A power already get her for mad. Because nobody talk her. Now you talk her. Then I'll come say waiting. Now so love sweet me, then I'll come waiting again. What you want me to do? Until we just settle. And we know it me power. You feel to say you not talking again. Because you don't already make me frustrate again now. Imomo ye one imomo. Yeti go me one. Ebe me. So gumewa here we boa, God forbid. You have a few me say can if you say where I and you go more bibu there. Here ya boa ya you so ya go boa. Epa, I me tamu we now. If you know that I'm no there. Believe eh. What believe eh? What believe is
We are currently, she don't go close to
You
the
spent the
children.
night here.
Yes, I can't lie.
I can't show them video now of the marriage we do 2 months ago.
We did our marriage 2 weeks
Am I
ago.
that way marriage Africa? That is not marriage.
Our marriage.
No, I don't do that, please.
If we are not in good terms,
Lying.
we will not do this. This is me and
Yeah,
she.
okay, just wait here. I need to make some phone calls. This is.
I called yesterday, I was screaming. Yesterday night. That is not matter, it's
Just
just
put the phones away. Seriously.
okay.
This is.
She lies to me
We are not
honest.
here to solve your family problems.
Okay.
I'm just gonna check.
We are not here to solve your family problems. We are not here to solve your family problems. Can the police in area move?
If there was a call,
Yeah.
and I don't understand why you wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to you get home. The mothers call him, he should not touch me again. He always said they want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday in France.
Person we not know before the woman die, what they say your husband key. I'm a man I can't do friends. First woman where they use ghost, what they do friend. On no woman you know that I was say. Oma no gune. Nora na ya say emergency. The first woman that used ghost. Woman we don't know when she did her life. Suddenly now become a friend. Obo wa la wo. Eti agbo ene bason. Obo wa la obo
And asked someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children.
If we are not in good terms,
Nine!
we will not do this. This is me and
Yeah,
she.
okay, just wait here. I need to make some phone calls. This is.
I called yesterday, I was screaming. Yesterday night. That is not matter, it's
Just
just
put the phones away. Seriously.
Okay.
This is.
She lies to me
We are not
always.
here to solve your family problems.
Okay.
I'm just gonna check if there was a call,
Yeah.
and I don't understand why you wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to Ugetan. The mothers call him, he should not touch me again. He always said, I want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday.
Charlie say no me swag. I will not gune why I will party. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, your friend. So that woman will die for fun, you know. Yeah. My guy is a disgraced woman. When me, you remember I said I be comedian and I'm MC. Hey, me. I will make people to believe that you are a devil. So that my next wife, you know, if you spoil and say I be bad person. Go well, you don't let me and you not do again. That's the truth. But I can't get any proof to my next wife you wear. You're madam. Now me who no me be coming. You're madam.
In France,
Wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to Ugetan. The mothers call him, he should not touch me again. He always said, I want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday in France. The news is all over the world, in internet.
What does that have to do with
It's
all
so-
that? I don't.
Police say he know that stuff. And a man said that you're going to depressed. And a man said, now you're going to depressed. Eh? Saloba. Mama said na ya tell my depression. Oh man, no man walk ewu. Man knows. I said I don't laugh. I don't laugh today. Women no soon that one. You and I don't know each other before you buy. Now you can say way.
It's
Friend to a ghost.
what you get. Come on, let me carry you.
Ciao.
Please. Mama is sick, please.
Okay.
Please.
Made the record and she know.
What do you want us to do now?
I do not want you to. Mama. So I did what Ugetan asked me to do when I go to the Ugetan the office. So I told Ugetan that I cannot come with my children. So he asked me to call. That's why I call you to let you know that we make a lot of fights yesterday. You always say I'll kill you, I have evidence with my phone. So when I give birth to her, if you remember, police and ambulance were yes from 1 year ago. When I give birth to her,
It is 1 year ago, and this
Yes.
doesn't help me.
when
now.
I give birth to her, for my sister shop, she hates me. Police come. She begged me not to speak, and I said the police, it does not do me any.
He don't use sense to she. If they explain to police say when a newborn I kick her for belly, what did you do? Yes, I'm not supposed to react like that. But wow, make it the way be me or egweta. Woman way come back Peking, where you know where they were back. Where never for your old president is sort her husband once. You know you're waiting I talk where now I'm about you can only God forbid.
I speak to the police come to me, police come to the office in a shred. He asked me if this to me. I said no, he did not do anything to me because I love him so much. I don't want anything to happen to him. But he keep doing it. When police come, I say nothing, everything is okay. But the one start telling me, I will kill you and go to prison, and don't come and take the children away. I'm scared because all the time he was angry that I have feeling. He want a boy. That's why I gave birth to him. He was thinking he's a boy. I gave birth to him. He's a girl. Start hungry. I give birth to girls. I don't have boy. We go to club, carry some women, go to the hotel. I have the video on my Facebook. Go from club to women. I take care of the children below. When I want to go out, we have quarrel. I say, look at this. He said, no, take them away. All the children will go to Uganda. She don't look after the children. We are quarreling. When the children go to her, he push them away. You don't go close to the children because they are girls. You want boy. I don't want you to do anything, but I just want to let you to know maybe if anything happened to me, I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah,
If I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah, if you were...
If I die tomorrow, you have to hold
Madam,
him.
you just told me that you went to the
Uganda, yes.
and with your children.
Yes.
And you came back here.
Yeah.
You didn't call the police from there, where you are safe. You came here to the man whom you think will kill you. You came back to this room and then calling the police. This makes absolutely no sense.
I promise he had...
You hear what the police talk? He say everything way they talk now, with the way you tell they talk and sense, absolutely no sense. You like that video? Me what? No, or you won't understand. If she like me, she dey screen record me. He marry her, he marry her. He marry her. He will come. Oh, screen record. You eh? But you have you born. She's waiting. You have a beer, a beer. You have you born never in the bag. You have here. They go in life. If you're married, away. They go to view born again. They go if you have you born here. Luxury marriage saga. Am I here now? Luxury saga marriage. You will not go back way.
When the children go to her, he push them away. You don't go close to the children because they are girls. You want boy.
Oh, iyomo. Odona mo go your own God forbid. Wa sun.
I don't want you to do anything, but I just want to let you to know maybe if anything happened to me, I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah, if
I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah, if you were...
If I die tomorrow, you have to hold
Madam,
him.
you just told me that you went to the
Uganda, yes.
and with your children.
Yes.
And you came back here.
Yeah.
You didn't call the police from there, where you are safe. You came here to the man whom you think will kill you. You came back to this room and then calling the police. This makes absolutely no sense.
I promise he has the key when I come home.
This doesn't matter right now. Just answer me that question. Why, if you're really so afraid,
Yeah.
Did you come back from the safe place at the Jugendamt where you had all your children together?
Yeah.
Why would you come back here?
He was not.
Why?
He was not at home. He just came back.
Now see person where they talk say, "Hey, must say no man me be. Hey, must say no man me be. Hey, must say una see am. Una see am. Una see am. Now, with all these things will happen now, because I should carry the matter into social media. If now you would look me so, will you still marry her? The answer is no. I married a demon. I married an idiot, a stark illiterate. Who married a goto. See the way police say verse, like, in tell me my sin, no barrel. Nora, oh yeah, now, like if you're born way. And we don't know where me I go where. Now, may I play on that phone again. Share this video for me. Igbeni ya ibe, ye mi amia. See, igbeni ya ibe. Now we just come for our bass on. Mo enter another one again. One of the see matter o. Waage o. Now the waage o. Iru is that your body being then why you ain't move pa. Atiyan. Ma. Now. I want to play something for now. On a listing. Oh, no water. She's no longer my wife. She ceased to be my wife. How come you? How come you? It's how come you? You were you. That's how come you? Mariana variavi. It can't be enough fit. That one are just small. Over here, you know. I'm not listening. When I see you,
You get that price. Right before I go return, I go fuck on top. I go fuck another man on top. I go make sure I go hold you. I go fuck another man on top. He go hold you. I go fuck on top. Another man go hold you. I know your friend. I go see fuck. Or say where can I fuck? Or say where? I go the fuck out for your head. Or say where can I fuck you? You will die very aggressive. You will die. Don't document for less, man. No document for less.